Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode on the athomedive YouTube channel. As always, my name is Joey, and today we're in the kitchen making a classic, sausage balls, because it's that time of year. So sit back, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. So on the counter today, we have a pretty simple list of ingredients. We have 1 pound of Jimmy Dean breakfast pork sausage. We have 8 ounces of shredded mild cheddar cheese. We have 8 ounces of sharp shredded cheddar cheese. 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 2 cups of our Bisquick substitute. And if you haven't got the chance yet, make sure you check out that video in the top right corner of the screen. I'll put that tab up there now. Let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the cheese and add it into the sausage. And then we're just gonna work it together with our hands. Now that it's starting to work together, we're just going to take the paprika and add it in as well so that it gets mixed in really well. Now that these things are mixed pretty well, we're going to go ahead and add in the Bisquick substitute, and then we're just going to churn it all together. The Bisquick. Now that everything's worked together here, you can see, you grab a hold of it and you can squeeze it and it'll pack together. And that's how we know that we're about ready to go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take and we're gonna start forming it into about golf ball sized spheres. And we're gonna put them lined out on a baking tray. Just like this. Just a couple inches apart so that they have a chance to bake nice and even. And now that our sausage balls are all nice and evenly sized, we're gonna go straight into the oven, preheated at 350 degrees, and we're gonna come back and check on them in about 20 minutes. All right, so the time has passed, and now the sausage balls are coming out of the oven. As you can see, they're nice and crispy on the outside, they're cheesy and firm, so that means that they're fully cooked. We are gonna let these cool down and then dive right in. So that wraps us up on how to make sausage balls. Comment below and let me know how yours turn out, or if there's any other favorite holiday recipes that you enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you liked the video. Have a nice day.